Hey lovelies, Madam Sophy here again to do an affordable makeup tutorial. Today I'll be using the SophX palette by Makeup Revolution. For those of you who don't know what it is, this is the palette. I'm pretty sure you've seen this palette at Ulta Beauty. Okay, this palette is sold at Ulta Beauty, and you can also find this palette on the Makeup Revolution website. Makeup Revolution is a cosmetic company that's based out of the UK, London. And their products are pretty good. I have a whole bunch of their products, and the only product I was disappointed with was the fast base foundation stick. But apart from everything that I purchased from this company, they've been on point. They've been on point with everything, and that's why I've continued to purchase from them. But for this makeup tutorial, I will only be using this palette, and I'll also be using other affordable makeup that you could get at affordable prices. Okay, so just wanted to let you know, if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking on my video. Thank you so much for watching my video. For those of you who have continued to subscribe to my channel, thank you so much. For those of you who have continued to give comments of encouragement, thank you so much. For those of you who are just tuning in for the very first time, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell to be part of the Sophia squad so you can stay right in the mix, okay? So this is the SophX palette. This is the colors it comes with. You have a really large mirror area right here, and you have 24 eyeshadow shades, okay? In the 24 eyeshadow shades, you have 10 of the eyeshadows in this palette are metallics, well, metallic, frosted, whatever you want to call it, and 14 of those colors in the palette are going to be matte, okay? I'm not sure if I'm going to use the frosted colors. Maybe I'll do something matte. I don't know. We'll see where my mind takes me. To start off with carving my brows, I kind of had some brow cream on my brows already, so my brows are kind of done. So I'm just going to carve my brow, and if I need to retouch my brows, I'm going to go ahead and retouch it. However, for my brows, I use the E.L.F. Lock-on liner and brow cream in the color Espresso. This is what I use on my brows. For my brows today, I'm going to use the L.A. Pro Conceal concealer in the color Warm Honey. And I think this cost about $3 to $4. This costs about $3 to $4. The price kind of varies depending on where you purchase it. One more thing I forgot to tell you guys is this palette is pretty cute because each color in this palette has a name. Each color in this palette has a name, but unfortunately the names are not actually right next to the colors. You kind of have to keep this with you to know what name you're using. Okay, but I'm going to start off with the color Cup of Tea. Cup of Tea, I'm going to start off with this color right here. going to go back in Strawberry Sweet, and I'm just gonna fix stuff up. So I've already primed my face. Today I'm going to use the Maybelline Supastay foundation stick. This is the foundation stick. I'm going to use the color 330, which is Toffee, and 360, which is Mocha. I'm going to use Mocha to contour, and I'm going to use 330 Toffee to do the entire face. My face, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me in the color 35, and I'm also going to use the NYX Mineral Set Don't Fret Matte Finishing Powder for my under eye area, and I have this color in medium, I believe. Yes, medium dark. This is what I'm going to use to set my under eye area. Today I'm going to use this Wet n Wild metallic lipstick, and it is in the color Satin Sheets. So I'm going to use Satin Sheets by the Wet n Wild Megalux Liquid Catsuit Metallic Lip Color Lipstick. Before I use this, I'm going to use this nude color. This is by LA Colors. This is LA Colors Matte Liquid Lip Color in the color Smashing. I'm going to use this color first and then use the Catsuit Metallic Lip Color for the center part. I'm going to go ahead and use the NYX Dual Chromatic Lip Gloss, and I have it in the color Fair Play. I'm going to top my lips with this color just to add some gloss to it. So next, I'm just going to set my face. To set my face, I'm going to use the Mario Badescu facial spray. Okay guys, so this is my complete look. I did add some lashes. The lashes I'm wearing, they're Wispies. Apparently I went to my local CVS store and they had buy one get one free on these lashes, so I was able to get a good bargain on them. But these are Wispies by the Ardell eyelash collection. Hey Sophia, so this is the final look using the SophX palette. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this affordable makeup tutorial. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you to those of you who have been subscribing and leaving these encouraging comments in the comment section. I really appreciate you. I really appreciate the word of encouragement. And I'm so thankful for you guys. Those of you who are just visiting my channel, I welcome you. And for those of you who are thinking of subscribing, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Come on now. Hit that subscribe button and hit that bell if you want to stay in the mix, okay? So I'm waiting. Yep. Okay guys, so this is it for today. Thank you so much and hope that you guys have a wonderful day. Hope that you guys have a successful day, a progressive, a productive day. I wish you all the best, and till then, bye.